Hey guys, welcome back to BeautiCo. I have something to share with you guys. Oh my god, finally I have my play button with me. So I recently hit 1 lakh subscribers and I'm so thankful for all of you guys for supporting me, for all the love that you have shown me on my channel. So today I am gonna be doing the get to know me tag. I know it's a very highly requested video and I have been stalling to do this since years. I have never done this on my channel. If you go back, you will never see me talking about myself because I'm pretty private. Let's see how it goes. So let's get started. So let's start with the most basic question, which is super easy to answer as well. Where am I from, age and height? So I'm from Bombay, I'm from Mumbai, and my age is 27 right now. I'm already 27 and my height is 5'3.5" or 5'4". I'm not measured it precisely, but I'm pretty sure I'm 5'3.5" or 5'4". So yep. Okay, so the next question is, tell us about your education qualification. So basically I am a computer engineer. I did my computer engineering and after that I wanted to do something more on the creative side. I was very much into styling and creativity and aesthetics and design and all of that. So I wanted to find a course which will suit me and I will be passionate about the entire life. That's when I found graphic designing. And that time graphic designing was not too much in trend, or not many people knew about it. So my parents also were very skeptical as to what I am doing. It's so much fun, literally graphic designing is so much fun. So if you're into creativity, drawing and imagination, and you can imagine things, you should definitely look into graphic designing. You might like it. I absolutely love it. So yeah, this was around the time when I also started blogging. I was trying to find what suits me as a profession, as well as whether I should take blogging really seriously and all of that. So yeah, it was a pretty intense situation at that time, but yeah, I got through it and I'm so happy with both my decisions. Okay, so a lot of questions about how did I start blogging and when did I start. So I started blogging back in 2015. Yeah, it has been 5 years of ups and downs and so many roadblocks, you guys. I cannot tell you how many. We will talk about this in detail in some other video because otherwise this video is gonna be an hour long. But yeah, I started because all of my friends around me, I was studying that time, and all of my friends around me were like, you're very good with makeup, you should start teaching, you should put up videos on YouTube. And that time I didn't know much about YouTube, but then I was like, okay fine, I can give it a try. I have the time, I am just sitting and doing makeup, why not just take my phone and film myself and put it up on YouTube. So I used to film on my phone back then. I had this parda behind me as my backdrop. You can go back to my videos and you can see that it is of a very shitty quality, but yeah, I was really into makeup that time, and I was also learning. I was not that good. I have grown a lot, but yeah, I have my friends to thank, and one particular friend specifically, because that person was the one who pushed me to my limits. My parents were not agreeing to it. I used to film at home when my parents were not at home. So yeah, I was doing it hiding it from my parents and all of that. But eventually they got around, my parents got around, and I'm so happy that I was very hell-bent and very I want to do this kind of attitude. So a lot of questions about what was the motive behind to be a blogger. Was it your dream or is it just a hobby? So back then I didn't think this was my dream. I didn't really have a dream as such, and I didn't even know there were bloggers and people do blogging and all of that. I just had started putting up videos on YouTube thinking that okay fine, I want to teach you guys makeup. And that time there was no definition as to we are bloggers, we are influencers, we are just uploading our videos. There was no particular set profession at that time. At least in India it was not a set profession. It was very new at that time and everyone was skeptical. Even I was skeptical. I didn't really pay much attention to how much money I'm getting, which company is approaching me, nothing of that sort. I just put videos on YouTube to show you that I am doing these different kinds of makeups, you also can do that. So yeah, that was just like a hobby. I used to like doing makeup and I used to upload it on YouTube, but now it is like a dream job, guys. It is definitely a dream job because I love what I do, and I'm very, very thankful for everyone, even the brands, to recognize me and my talents. So yeah. The next question is, do you have any other job or are you a full-time content creator? Yes, I do have a full-time job. I am a head graphic designer in a company, like I said, and then I do blogging as well. So blogging is part-time, and both of them, like both the fields, I absolutely love and I'm passionate about, and I cannot choose. I am gonna continue doing both of them. So yeah. The next question is, do your parents support you in your passion for makeup? Honestly, like, I won't say that they support me, but they are okay with it. They don't really like what I do. They would prefer me to like do like a computer engineer's job, like a software engineer job or something of that sort, which is more stable. So I definitely get where they are coming from, that they care for me, they want me to have like a stable life, they want me to, you know, have a clear picture about my future. But honestly, I will rather do a job which I'm really passionate about, which doesn't really pay me much, than do a job which is paying me pretty damn good and something that I absolutely don't like. Like, I cannot sit in front of the computer and code. Like, I cannot do that. So if I have found my passion, I am very, very lucky that I found my passion. There are so many people who are still trying to find their passion. I found it and I cannot give that up. So yeah, they are fine with it now, but they don't really support me. I hope that answers your question. Okay, I think we are getting really serious with the topics. Let's go with light conversations now. The next question is, which camera do I use? So I use the Canon 800D currently. I was using my phone, like I said earlier. I had an iPhone 7 Plus, I think that's what I have been using. I started using to do my videos. Then I bought a DSLR which was Canon 700D, and then I shifted to Canon 800D, and ever since then I have been using this camera, which I absolutely love. Like, literally love this camera. Okay, there's another question related to my videos. It's, how do you edit your makeup videos for Instagram and IGTV? So honestly, I just film it on my DSLR and then I take the footage on my MacBook and I edit it on Final Cut Pro, and that's the software that I use for editing all of my videos. Final Cut Pro, it is like life-saving, life-changing, super duper fast. It's one of the best softwares to edit videos. But if you're a beginner, you can start with the iMovie, or you can start with Adobe Premiere if you are a Windows or laptop kind of person or Windows desktop person. I have a MacBook, so I use Final Cut Pro. If you don't have Final Cut Pro, you can use iMovie. iMovie is also very good to start editing your videos. Or otherwise, if you don't have a laptop, you can start editing your videos on your phone itself. There is an app called as InShot in which you can actually edit videos. So I hope that was helpful. Okay, next is guys, your questions are spicy. Okay, so many questions on this. Are you in a relationship? Drum roll. Yes, I'm in a relationship. So I have been in a relationship for almost 11 years now. Yep, 11 years. Oh yeah, that has to be a video in itself, because again, it's gonna take me ages to answer so many questions that you have regarding my relationship. But yeah, I met my partner when I was in my 10th standard, and ever since then we have been inseparable, and that is the person that I'm talking about, who has been an inspiration for me to start my channel and all of that. Like, I have to thank him for everything, like for everything that I have become right now, because without him I wouldn't be a blogger, honestly. Next is my favorite Netflix series. It has to be Gossip Girl. Yep, it is Gossip Girl. What is my favorite movie? Okay, this is such a tough question, but yeah, I can tell you the genres of movies that I like. I absolutely love teen movies. I absolutely love romance movies. But if you ask me like what movie I would like to watch again and again, there are movies like the one that comes in my mind like instantly is a real steel. So there's Hugh Jackman in that, and there's a kid who finds a robot, and like it is like robot fights and all of that, and it's a very light movie and very emotional and very fun. It's not like fighting movie, but it's more about the connection between the robot, the kid, and the father, that is Hugh Jackman. So yeah, and if you want to know a Bollywood movie which is my favorite, please guys don't judge me, it is Sauti, Student of the Year. I can watch that movie anytime. Like it is so much fun to watch. I love watching Shania, like तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुझे बनाया शनाया शना. I love that song and all the outfits that she's worn in her video. Like I love it. The next question is, what is your personality? Now I am super duper bubbly, you guys. You guys must have seen my videos and you must have seen me like I'm always smiling, laughing. I'm doing goofy stuff. That is my thing. And other than that, I am a little bit strict. Like I'm really strict with my schedule or with anything particularly. Like I don't want any of my stuff to like, you know, go from here to there. I'm very strict with that. If I have like something to do, I'm definitely gonna do that first and, you know, follow it and do it thoroughly. And I cannot bear tardiness or like carelessness. I'm very strict that way. Okay, other than that, I'm like super duper caring person. Like people actually call me mom because of that. Like my friends call me mom because I am constantly, you know, caring about them. If they want something, I will instantly do it for them. It's just there in me. I love taking care of people. So if you're in my circle, I'm definitely gonna take care of you. So yeah. And if you ask me whether I'm an introvert or an extrovert, I think I'm an introvert. Sometimes I can be an extrovert, but it depends on my mood. But most of the times, I'm an introvert person. I keep to myself. The last question, what is your favorite song at the moment? So at the moment, I have been loving this song called as Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. I love The Weeknd songs because most of them are so upbeat, a little bit vintage, but has so much fun and the music is amazing. So I'm gonna make you listen to that. I hope I don't get copyright issues. Yeah, I don't want to get copyright issues, but you should definitely listen to that. You will love it. So yeah, that was it for the get to know me tag. I hope I answered a lot of questions of yours that you have been asking me since years. I hope you got to know me just a little bit. I'm gonna do more of this pretty soon, hopefully. I was very nervous for this video, but yeah, we got through it. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video now and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.